guys, I'm back and I got a 3D printer for Christmas. I am so happy. So today we are going to be unboxing it and doing a time-lapse video of us putting it in our garage. Thank you.
I'm not content to be with you in the daytime. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time. The only time I feel alright is by your side. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time, all day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. I believe that you and me last forever.
Got him a very expensive printer. Wants to stay in the box. Yay.
Oh yeah, all day and night I'm yours, leave me never. The only time I feel alright is by your side. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time, all day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. Oh, come on!
Okay, we're about to power on. Switch on in the back. Hold it. There it goes. Let go. Okay. We have the ignition. I hear the fan going.
Yeah. Oh,
See something?
I heard something. I heard like a... Oh,
Ooh.
cool.
Could have used that light when we're taking those set screws out.
Yeah.
Okay, what's our screen say?
English.
Yes. What we
Please
got?
confirm all unpacking materials and were taken out. It needs to calibrated for the current environment. Please ensure the heated bed is unlocked before starting calibration. Click next. Okay, Wi-Fi on. Tompkins family Wi-Fi.
That's us. Okay, we have bound the phone to our 3D printer and made our account. We're about to start our first calibration. Click next to start our first calibration. Ooh. Oh, stuff's happening. Stuff is happening, Chaser. What do you think?
Cool. Wait for the extruder to heat up. Okay. It's preheating. It needs to be 220. We're at 85.
What temperature scale?
Huh?
What temperature scale?
Right there.
What temperature scale?
Celsius. 18. Heating completed. It's loading. I'm excited for the test print. Oh, you can see it pooping it out.
It's extruding the wire.
Oh. Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's ours.
And it's a nice thing it's making.
Yeah. Like going around. Cool.
Yeah, making a fine mess for us.
No, I want to keep it.
It's a nice
It's our
thing.
first print.
Yeah, we'll call it 3D diarrhea.
It's making a circle though. It's cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna call it the donut in the sloppy lava.
Couldn't think of a better one myself.
Well, let me just cut this small part off.
You're ruining the artistic integrity.
It's not a donut then.
Artistic integrity going away. It's gone.
Okay, it's printing a cube.
Oh, our first print's a cube.
Yeah!
All right, here we go. We're raising up. Raising up.
To me, it's really cool how they turned, how they made it so thin. Like they turned it from this into this. I don't even know if you guys can see that. There it is. It's like the size of the hair.
Yeah.
Also, it's bendable. And this one's kind of bendable, but you have to like really try and flex it.
Yeah. You know what they say for material that's bendable?
What?
They call it malleable.
Oh.
It's cleaning the nozzle right now. That's what it does. It goes across on that little abrasive pad there.
Oh.
And then it starts printing. But it's got some torque, doesn't it? It moves with like assertion.
Dang, this thing's fast.
That's really cool.
Does it give you an estimate how long it takes? Not yet, but it gives you a percentage scale.
It's 7% done.
7%. Oh, we're gonna have us a cube in no time. Oh.
Sucker move.
I believe that you and me last forever. Oh yeah, all day and nighttime yours, leave me never. The only time I feel alright is by your side. Girl, I want to be
3 minutes.
3 minutes
For a cube.
for a cube.
That's crazy.
Can you open it now?
Yep, you're ready.
First print is a cube. Some little stuff on it. Got it off.
It's a low cube.
It's a low cube, yeah.
Cool.
I want to like print a lot of these and make a Minecraft world. We'll be trying to update more videos with our new printer here. I love doing this. It's just so fun to do, especially the recording. We are making a chicken jockey.
Chicken jockey.
Yes, chicken jockey. About 3 hours and 20 something minutes, I think.
Yep.
Hey guys, we are at 15% on it, and we're waiting it out and eating some pistachios. Yeah. We are doing extremely well at 58%. You can see the chicken. The chicken is fully done. There's a lot of supports on it, and we are just about to 60. This is really cool. We are officially closing up the head of our chicken jockey. This is absolutely insane. We have been going for 2 hours and 41 minutes. That is insane. We're at 98% done. It's just doing a couple last details.
you all of the time, all day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. All day and all of the night.
And there we go.
Ready.
2 hours, 42 minutes. Our first successful print is the chicken jockey. I know this sounds kind of weird. This took 2 hours and like 30 minutes. 40 minutes, actually. So, thank you guys all for watching. Goodbye.